At his natural exhibit walking down the stairs.
Come on, do you see anything?
It's the red, blue, wild ostrich. The elephants.
Who is he?
I think he's the founder, maybe? Mr.
No,
Eds.
I didn't pass that up. I didn't know.
Oh, we've been in there before, but
I'll just do this one side.
Follow the feet.
Yeah? Oh, elephant feet. Holy cow.
Look on, follow their feet.
I did already, honey.
Come on.
I am. Look at all these elephants. Holy mackerel. Oh, sorry, Cal.
Look at me.
Honey, you're way too old for that.
Elephant. There's no elephant rides. Hold on,
Hold on, let's see what it says. It says a 30-pound weight limit. You weigh more than 30 pounds.
Okay, I'll go on it.
How about you hold him above it?
Here, why don't you sit in the chair? You be the Easter bunny.
Is that the Easter? Is this where the Easter bunny sits?
Probably.
Yes.
The Easter Bunny came back.
Did you get a meeting at the event today?
I don't know.
I don't hunt today.
Yeah, there's an Easter egg hunt at the library, honey.
And you don't see this little cute thing? Watch all the little cute thing.
Well, you know this kid loves his penguins.
Oh!
Honey, honey.
Sit down in the chair for me, please.
He's okay.
Well, I need
Oh, okay.
Hey, look at Daddy. Smile. You can't see your face. There you go. Okay. Look at that picture of Mr. Ed.
Okay, let's move on. Just a tiny bit. Oh, painting. He's at his natural exhibit walking down the stairs.
Come on, do you see anything?
It's the red, blue, wild ostrich. If you be very careful, you don't want to move too quickly. He will come at you and knock you over.
That's the one.
Okay. You want to put this on your channel?
Yeah.
Do you? Hold on a minute. Sorry. Austin and the family is joining Mr. Ed's. And this is the largest elephant museum, so he found himself a cute ride. What are you going to do? Are you going to do anything? Oh, okay.
We're not going back in the store.
No, we're not going back in the store, baby. You want to go in front of the fountain or you want to go? I'll go to the fountain, then we're going to be going because you can't go. Oh, no, it's all muddy, Austin. No. Honey, it's all muddy. Good job, buddy.